You see this? This is a mess. Welcome back to the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Thanks for stopping by the Johnson Ranch for this quick clean with me. I've decided to get my cleaning done. I'll start doing quick 8 to 15 minutes a day to tidy up those things that sometimes we don't want to do. So I purchased this bamboo utensil tray from Big Lots. Well, that's what it was in the store, but at my house, I will store my teas and my snacks. And look, just look at all of this tea, all of this stuff, but it's going to fit so beautifully in my new bamboo tray. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, coming back week after week to see what's going on here on the Johnson Ranch. And I appreciate you sharing my channel with your friends and your families, co-workers, whoever you meet. Just tell them about my channel and what I'm doing here on the Priceless Pearl Life. And if you're new here, definitely welcome on today. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. And before you ask, who's drinking all of that tea? Well, that would be me. As you know, I am a singer and a pastor. And tea, early in the mornings, that's best for me. So what a difference a few minutes makes. And after all of this cleaning, one thing left to do. Make a cup of tea. If you found any great tasting teas, please leave me a comment below. I'd appreciate it. I'd like to give a shout out to some of my recent subscribers. Home versus House. Table Talk with Robin, and Marlene's How-Tos. Thank you for joining the channel and welcome to my Priceless Pearl Life family. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am on my way to my very next milestone, and thank you for helping me reach it real soon. And videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Also follow me on my social media, on Twitter at Pastor J, the AKA, and on Facebook, The Priceless Pearl Life. And on Instagram, it's simply Katrina Johnson. Just in case you missed it, go back and watch my oven cooked ribs. You see these ribs. And make sure to check out my coffee table styling. 5 ways for you to enjoy. As always, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video.